Alright, I've just started my walk. We do have some snowflakes coming down. It's very light at the moment, but I'm bound and determined to go on my walk. Alright, huffing and puffing along. I might be able to see the snowflakes coming down. It's not very heavy, but it sure is cold. Alright. Oh, I just got over here to the train yard, and it's coming down even stronger now. Not bad at all. Phew. Oh, I can see the rain jacket doesn't fit completely. But that's alright. This is cool. Being out here in the rain like this. Oh, man. It's not going to stick around very long. As soon as the temperature starts to warm up, the snowflakes will be gone and it'll just be rain, of course. Alright. This is the most snowflakes we've had. Alright, no reason to hang around here. I'm getting pretty soaking wet where my rain jacket is not. So we'll start the walk back. And the flakes are actually pretty fair size. Might be able to see that. It'll be interesting to see if it's gonna keep it up all day. Alright, I'm ready to head back. It's coming down pretty good. Sure feels colder. Maybe it's because I'm getting drenched. Alright, let's get walking back to the house as quick as I can.
February-ish, there were a couple days where they had a delayed start for school.
Yeah.
And then snow day.
It's coming down pretty good.
Now it is, yeah.
Yeah.
It just changed.
Get the bobsled out. I don't have anything like that. The roofs are getting covered.
Ernest car.
Yeah. All right, so it is 11:28 in the morning, and the snow actually stopped shortly after I got home. It was coming down pretty good, and it covered the ground out there fairly decently, but it's all melted now. The temperature has come up to about 41 degrees, and I see that the rain has just started again. So it's pretty dark out there, and it's just going to be that way the rest of the day. And unless the temperature comes down, it's not going to snow down here anymore, but we should get massive amount of rain for the next 11 or so hours. I just made a batch of basmati rice, and there's a video showing it, and right now I'm going to have some of this for my lunch right now, a big bowl of this with my lunch. It tastes pretty good. And later on today, we'll be making curry chicken for my dinner tonight. Alright, it's probably the last video for this day in the life. I've had a good day. I am currently cooking my curry. We are out of the winter storm now. Well, it's coming to an end, but we're not out of it. There is snow off in the distance. The mountains off in the distance there. It's probably going to freeze tonight because it looks like it's going to clear off. So it might be pretty cold overnight. Been a good day in the life. I'm kind of tired and worn out a little bit. And we got curry over here working. And my Birkenstocks, they've been in the closet for a while. These are my old work shoes. We've seen these before. And they have a tremendous arch in them, where my feet do not have arches anymore. They are long gone. So for a lot of standing up like I've been doing today, making the curry, they're supposed to be pretty good for my feet. So we're just about done with this. It's just sitting there cooking. I still got to add the cilantro to it, and the slurry and the cream. So there will be an entire video about making this curry that hopefully you will have seen right after this and before my next food and conversation, which will be coming up a little bit later on, be eating some rice and curry for my dinner tonight. If you enjoyed this video, if you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.